So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can create account in Uber. So the Uber app, like any other app, you need to install it first from the Play Store. So I hit towards the Play Store, search for the app, here in this case Uber, and then click on install. We'll wait for some time until the app gets installed. Well, as you can see, the app has finished installing. Let's go ahead and open it up. So like any other app, you have to first create an account on it to start using it, which here is with a mobile number or maybe by using any of your social media applications. So let me put in my number 197759. And what then happens is I get a OTP. That's a one-time password which has sent as SMS to this number. So let me wait. So just a moment, like in few moments I will get it. There you go, it's auto detected and that's all right. So now let me put in my name. Now as you understand, Uber is basically a cab booking app and you use this application to book your cab rides. Agree by tapping the tick the box below. Okay, get moving. And this is like in any other app, you have to give device permissions. So I prefer paying cash. Okay, so you need to create a password for your Uber account. So I will create a password, say ABCD 1 2 3 4, and then I click on next. And there you go, you have your Uber account. Now just so that I can explain a little about how you get stuff done on Uber, in case you want to schedule a ride for later on, you can use the schedule thing. So like you can decide upon the date and time. So in case I don't want to ride right now, I can decide I can ride on some other day and time. So this is basically the minute and this is basically the hour. So say like so this is basically the minute, sorry. So this is 12:30, you can see the minute side. Okay, and in case I want to do the hour thing, so I click on the hour and so this is the hour side, so 4:29 or 4:30 maybe. So this is how you can schedule. You can set the pickup time and everything. Lest you don't want to use schedule, you just want to do a normal ride. So this is the pickup, so where you want to get picked up from. So say I want to get picked up from this place. I can also type in, I can put in the address where I want to get picked up from, and I can write where I want to be dropped at. So this is how you would be selecting your pickup and drop, and these are the different ride options. So basically, like you Uber Go, you see this means you can have two people with you. So this number is actually indicative of the fact that you have two people with you. When you click on that, you will see how far the ride is. So it's 7 minutes from my side, and confirm will make you confirm that ride. So this is not just like one of the options, there are several many. So in case you want to carry 5 people, so this is the ride you need to select, Excel. And when you see here is the fare option, so the whole ride is there with you. So it's not like each of them have to pay 301 rupees. So this is how you would be doing, right? And you pay by cash, but you can obviously, you can add a different payment method and stuff like that. So far so good. I will just show how you can book a Uber Go. So I've selected the pickup and the destination. I click on confirm and then I click on confirm pickup, and it tells me like what all I need to do. I need to wear a mask, sanitize my hands, sit in the back seat, and just have 2 people agree and ride. And so it's confirming the trip, and it's actually initially searching for the riders and then it will confirm the trip. So in a few moments it gets confirmed and it tells me to come at the pickup point. So you can see the driver is 11 minutes away, Tata Indica 6740, 11 minutes off. I can call the driver. Unlike Ola, you don't have OTP here. Uber is thinking of having the OTP mechanism, but it's a AC ride and you can carry 2 people with you. So this is how you would be using Uber, not just to book rides, even schedule rides. You can, in case you don't want to ride, you can always cancel the ride. But I actually need to have this ride, so I will have it. So hopefully this helps. I mean, this is for where you cancel. So hopefully this helps. If it does, please do consider subscribing. Please share this with your family, friends, and near dear ones. It really helps when this is useful to old senior people and people who are getting new to tech. Really, it means a lot to me when you write on the comment section that you like our work. It really encourages us. And let us know what else you want us to cover, and we'll be very glad to do that. Thank you so much. God bless. Goodbye.